Turtles are ancient reptiles. They have been on Earth for millions of years. Imagine a time when dinosaurs roamed the planet. Turtles were there too. They swam in ancient seas and walked on prehistoric land. Over millions of years, many animals disappeared. But turtles survived. They adapted to changes in the environment. Today, we find turtles in many parts of the world. Turtles are a symbol of resilience. They remind us of the power of nature. Their story is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Let's learn more about these fascinating creatures. Turtles have a unique feature. Their shells. These shells act like a protective armor. The shell is made of bone. It is covered with tough scales. The top part of the shell is called the carapace. The bottom part is called the plastron. The shell is attached to the turtle's backbone. This makes it very strong. When danger approaches, a turtle can retreat into its shell. This helps protect them from predators. The shell is a key to their survival. It is a marvel of nature's design. Turtles live in diverse habitats. Some turtles live in water. These are called aquatic turtles. They are found in lakes, rivers, and oceans. Sea turtles spend most of their lives in the ocean. Other turtles live on land. These are called terrestrial turtles. They live in forests, grasslands, and even deserts. Some turtles prefer wetlands. These areas are wet and have a lot of plants. No matter where they live, turtles play an important role in the ecosystem. They help keep their habitats healthy. They are an integral part of the web of life. Turtles have different diets depending on their species and habitat. Some turtles are herbivores. This means they eat plants. They graze on grasses, leaves, and fruits. Other turtles are carnivores. They eat meat. These turtles might eat insects, worms, fish, or other small animals. Some turtles are omnivores. They eat both plants and animals. Their diet helps them survive in their specific environment. Whether it's munching on algae or hunting for insects, turtles have adapted to find the food they need. Section 5. The Circle of Life. Turtle reproduction and offspring. Turtles have a fascinating and intricate reproductive process that ensures the continuation of their species. Turtles reproduce by laying eggs, a process that begins with the female turtle coming ashore, often to the very beach where she was born. Female turtles dig nests in the ground using their flippers to create a safe and secure place for their eggs. They lay their eggs in these nests, carefully covering them with sand to protect them from predators and the elements. The number of eggs varies depending on the species, with some turtles laying just a few eggs, while others can lay up to 100 or more in a single nesting season. Some turtles lay only a few eggs, while others lay hundreds. This variation helps ensure that at least some of the offspring will survive to adulthood. The eggs are incubated by the warmth of the sun, which plays a crucial role in the development of the embryos inside. After a few months, the eggs hatch and the tiny turtles begin their perilous journey to the sea. Tiny turtles emerge from the nests, instinctively heading towards the ocean, guided by the natural light of the horizon. These hatchlings are very vulnerable. They face many dangers, including predators and environmental challenges. Predators like birds and snakes hunt them, making the journey to the sea a race for survival. Only a small number of hatchlings survive to adulthood, with many falling prey to predators or failing to reach the ocean. Those that do can live for many years, contributing to the cycle of life by eventually returning to the same beaches to lay their own eggs, thus continuing the legacy of their species. Section 6. The threats to turtles, human impacts on turtle populations. Turtles face many threats today. These ancient creatures, which have roamed the earth for millions of years, are now struggling to survive in a world that is rapidly changing due to human activities. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. As human populations grow, more land is needed for agriculture, housing, and infrastructure. Humans are destroying turtle habitats. Forests are being cut down, wetlands are being drained, and beaches are being developed, all of which are crucial habitats for different turtle species. They are cutting down forests and building houses. This urban sprawl leaves turtles with fewer places to live, nest, and find food. This leaves turtles with fewer places to live. The fragmentation of their habitats makes it difficult for them to find mates and reproduce, further endangering their populations. Pollution is another major threat. Our oceans and waterways are becoming increasingly polluted with chemicals, plastics, and other waste products. Chemicals and trash pollute the water and land. Industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic debris contaminate the environments where turtles live. This can harm turtles and make them sick. Turtles can ingest plastic, mistaking it for food, which can lead to internal injuries, starvation, and even death. Many turtles get caught in fishing nets. Bycatch, the unintentional capture of non-target species, is a significant problem in commercial fishing. This can injure or kill them. Turtles can become entangled in nets and other fishing gear, leading to drowning, severe injuries, or death. It is important to protect turtles. Conservation efforts, such as beach cleanups and habitat restoration, are crucial for their survival. They are an important part of the ecosystem. Turtles play a vital role in maintaining the health of marine and terrestrial ecosystems by controlling jellyfish populations, maintaining healthy seagrass beds, and facilitating nutrient cycling. We need to reduce our impact on their habitats. Supporting conservation initiatives and adopting sustainable practices can help mitigate the damage caused by human activities. We need to keep their environment clean. By reducing pollution, protecting natural habitats, and promoting awareness, we can ensure that turtles continue to thrive for generations to come. Section 7. Plastic pollution, a growing danger to marine life. Plastic pollution is a serious threat to marine turtles. Turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, a favorite food. Eating plastic can block their digestive system. This can lead to starvation. Plastic straws, bottles, and other debris also pose dangers. Turtles can become entangled in these items. This can cause injury or prevent them from swimming properly. Reducing plastic use is crucial. We can all make a difference by using reusable bags, bottles, and straws. Every effort counts in protecting turtles from this growing threat. Section 8. Climate change, shifting sands, and rising tides. Climate change is another challenge for turtles. Rising sea levels threaten nesting beaches. Warmer temperatures can also affect the sex of turtle hatchlings. Sea turtles rely on specific beaches to lay their eggs. As sea levels rise, these beaches are disappearing. This makes it harder for turtles to reproduce. We need to address climate change to protect turtles. Reducing our carbon footprint is essential. By taking action on climate change, we can help ensure the survival of these ancient creatures. Section 9. Hope for the future. Conservation efforts and their importance. Despite these threats, there is hope for turtles. Many people are working to protect them. Conservationists are studying turtle populations. They are identifying threats and finding solutions. They are creating protected areas for turtles. They are educating people about the importance of conservation. They are working to reduce pollution and habitat loss. These efforts are making a difference. Turtle populations are starting to recover in some areas, but there is still much work to be done. We need to continue to support turtle conservation. Section 10. Our role in turtle conservation. What can we do? Turtles have been around for millions of years, but now they face numerous threats due to human activities. It's crucial that we take action to protect these magnificent creatures. We can all play a role in protecting turtles. By participating in beach cleanups, we help remove harmful debris that can entangle or be ingested by turtles. Releasing rehabilitated turtles back into the ocean gives them a second chance at life. We can learn more about turtles and the threats they face. Education is a powerful tool. By reading books, attending workshops, and teaching children about the importance of turtles, we can spread awareness and inspire others to take action. We can reduce our impact on their habitats. Coastal habitat restoration projects, such as planting trees and restoring dunes, help create a safer environment for turtles to nest and thrive. We can support organizations that are working to conserve turtles. Volunteering at rescue centers or donating to conservation groups provides essential resources for their efforts. These organizations conduct research, rescue injured turtles, and advocate for stronger protections. We can make sustainable choices. Opting for eco-friendly products and reducing our use of single-use plastics can significantly decrease the pollution that ends up in our oceans, benefiting turtles and other marine life. We can reduce our use of plastic. Simple actions like picking up trash, avoiding plastic straws, and using reusable bags and containers can make a big difference in reducing plastic pollution. We can conserve water and energy. By turning off the tap while brushing our teeth and using energy-efficient appliances, we reduce our carbon footprint and help mitigate climate change, which affects turtle habitats. We can support policies that protect the environment. Every action counts. Joining rallies, signing petitions, and advocating for stronger environmental policies can lead to significant changes that benefit turtles and other wildlife. Together, we can make a difference for turtles. Community events and collective actions amplify our impact, showing that we stand united in our efforts to protect these ancient creatures. Let's work to ensure that these ancient creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. By taking these steps, we can create a better future for turtles and preserve the natural beauty of our oceans.